Hey guys, before the video starts, just want to state one thing. We do have many videos planned for the future. Most of them that we have tried to do have miserably failed us, so we're going to be doing a lot more videos coming up in the future. Hopefully, nothing will go wrong from there. But if you guys do like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and much will be appreciated. Thank you guys so much, and y'all have a good day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are on our way to my buddy's shop. He is going to help me finish the AC project on this 95 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to take the dryer condenser off this thing, whatever you want to call that big metal tube or thing, and we're going to replace it, and then I'm going to replace the compressor, which I have another one, and then we're going to use his vacuum pump, and we're going to evacuate the system and hold vacuum on it for a little while and make sure it holds, and then we will put Freon in it and see how well it works. So let me get over there and I'll get back with you guys. Hey guys, we're here at my buddy's shop. I call him my mechanic because he works on my shit all the time. He helps me out a lot, and we got the compressor out. Get you guys in the frame there if I can. Oh. Yeah, see it right there? Compressor's out. And we couldn't get the condenser out. We think somebody cross-threaded it at one point. So what we're gonna do is just change the compressor out and see if it'll suck down with the vacuum pump and see if it'll hold pressure. So I'll get this put on and I'll get back with you. Okay guys, we got her vacuumed out. We got her down to almost 30 pounds. It's probably down to 24, 26. And it's holding. So we'll give her a few minutes and then we'll put some Freon in it and see what she does. Alright guys, well, we got her done, finally. We got her charged up and got her full of Freon, and we checked all the connections and nothing was leaking. I'm gonna go fire it up now and make her have my temperature. If I can find it, there it is, my temperature gun. And we will see how cold it gets. Cab here. Climb up in this thing. Okay. Put it on max AC on high. And let her start getting cold. I was gonna do this the other day. Shut this so that it quits buzzing. But I was gonna do this the other day and I got busy, so we already checked all the connections and stuff a couple days ago. I just got busy and forgot to record, so I figured I'd do it when I got home. I've already checked all this out, so figured I'd do it for you guys too. We'll hold the RPMs up about 1500. Close the windows. Since it hasn't been run today, it'll have to drop the temperature down in here. We'll see if I can get it down to as low as it was. And I'm going out of the vent in the center of the dash instead of like the one over by the driver's side, the one on the passenger side, because you get more airflow with one of these 90 model Chevys. Now, granted, it is probably, I don't know, 75 degrees outside this morning. We're down to like 29 degrees, 30, 29, somewhere in there. If I can get it aimed in there right. I don't know where I was hitting before and it was telling me it was 30, but we're at 32 degrees. 32 degrees is actually really good, so there, it's 29.9, so literally 30 degrees. So I would say she works. I would say she works really good. Now, I'll turn my fan back on. Blow all that nasty emissions out of here. But we did this Wednesday and today's Friday. And I've even went back through today and used my black light, my little pin light, and I have checked everything. And everything looks fantastic. And all we did was I changed the compressor on this thing, if I can get it in focus, the compressor. I couldn't get the dryer broke loose because it's either A, somebody cross-threaded it years ago, or it's corrosion from the aluminum, and I couldn't get it off. My buddy couldn't get it off with his special tools. So we just left it in hopes that it would work, and it did. Because otherwise we were going to have to cut the line and then take the dryer out, and then I was going to have to get new lines. And what stinks is that line actually is the one that runs into the back of the compressor. And there's two lines that hook together into the back, one for high, one for low. And yeah, that would have been a nightmare, and I think those are pretty pricey. And so I told him that we would just try it and go from there. Well, we did, and it works perfect. I drove it home, and man, it was nice having air conditioning in this thing. I haven't had air conditioning in this thing for 7 or 8 years since I've owned it. Well, now I do, and it's really nice. I guess I should have just changed the compressor out and been done with it. But anyway, that's about it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give her a big old thumbs up for me. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you thought. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. If you think I did something wrong, hell, tell me that too. I don't care. It's whatever. Share the video. But yeah, stay tuned. Hit that bell icon, so that way you know when I upload a new video. I'm going to try to get a video out every week. I've got some different projects that I've been working on. I've got one, I want to redo one of my old pickup bed trailers I have. It needs some work. I'm going to do some more work on this 95 Tahoe. But there's just a few things that I'm going to do. And so just stay tuned. And until next time, see ya.